Destiny Ridge.
Viewers, we had a little bit of rain, so I want to see where the water's lying. Well, look, you can see that bit, obviously, so I need to do something about that. But I want to see if anything's running down the hill and going into the dam, because that would be fun. So very slowly go through the water. Oh, there's Wally B. Stop. You're not to play with Wally, you know that. Look at all the water line there. Okay, so we just had a good half an inch of rain, and it was pretty heavy rain. So you can see some ran down the road, that's good. But where did it go after that? It looks like it's heading in the right direction. Look, see, it's still heading down the road, and then it heads off into a swamp over there. Okay, and that's where it seems to sit. Well, that's not good. We need it to go further than that. So I'll have to put in a drain to drain it down this way. Look, it's running down there, down the side of the road. That's good. Oh shit, I thought I just had a big spider on my foot. But it wasn't a big spider. It wasn't even a spider. Oop, look out. Everything's running into this pond here and not going much further. Okay, well, that's good. Now it should come out of, yes, see, it's got to come down that little, down over there, see, comes out of the paddock. And look, it's going down the hill, but is it going down all the way? I think so. I think so. I'll go slowly, slowly. Yep, that's feeding down here towards the dam. That's good. That's good, isn't it, big fella? Hey, there's another storm coming. It's right behind it. Okay, so I need to clean that part out. Looks like Vader's got a little bit of work to do. That's good. And look out, we got a little bit of water in the dam. A little tiny bit. Oh, good. Stay on. Stay. Look at that. Can you see? A little bit of water in the dam. Look at that, half an inch of rain, water in the dam. Got more storms coming. Let's see what happens. Go Gadget Dam. Look at the water sitting over there. So we've got to look at where the water's running to be able to catch it all, to be able to send it all to the dam to be very efficient. Oh my God, this wet dirt, a little hard to turn on. All right, see, so that's going down there and into the dam. That's good. Definitely running down the hill. But we've got these puddles, which we've got to work out. Puddles are okay, but we need to be able to drain them and send it to the dam. All right, well, that's good. So let's go out along the road and we'll see if there's any water coming down. Because I want to build a dam out over here, I want to see if there's any water flowing down there. So we're in between storms at the minute. Okay, so we got some water sitting here. I knew that would happen. That was my really horrible grading with the excavator. All right. So it's about 5:30. It's dark because it's 5:30, 5:45, but there's another storm just over there, which is coming our way, I hope, and hopefully we'll get twice as much, so a good inch of rain would be good. I know a fair bit went into the tank, a fair bit went on the ground as well, because it looks like there's leaves in the gutter. Even though I thought I'd cleaned them out, looks like I haven't. Oh, look here. Mud, mud. I've got a 4-wheel drive. I'll put it in 4-wheel drive. Oh, look here. Well, I was in 4-wheel drive. There we go. Stay on, big fella. I was on 4-wheel drive, so that's good. The animals can drink out of these little ponds. Not for long, because it'll just soak in. But I'm glad that it's well, it's not too runoff, not too soaked, I mean. But look, we're not getting too much runoff from that paddock over there. This is where I want to build the dam. It looks like it slopes this way. Maybe it doesn't. Now, I did a bit of work along this road. I hope I don't chew it up. But I want to go down to the other dam and see if there's water flowing into that one. So as I know from, well, it's a lot smoother than what it used to be anyway. Nah, it's all good. It's not too soaked. Yes, there's wallabies over there, but you're not going to chase them. Your job is not to chase wallabies. Looks like it's still a bit rough. Here I am, I'm thinking that I'm doing a good job, and well, I wasn't. But the tractor's not the best for doing roads. The excavator's not the best for doing roads. I need a skid steer or a grader. And I need some rock. Once I work out exactly where I want the roads, that is. Oh, look here. That was a bit deep, that one. I don't want to get splashed. However, it is what it is. It's water. It's yummy. Do farmers ever complain about water? Maybe. Maybe they do. It's soaked up pretty well here. going down the road, and that's okay. If I had a grader, I'd grade a ditch on the side of the road. Yeah, a fair bit of water's coming down here. You can see where the sand, I mean the loam has actually washed through. Yeah, can you see? I don't know where the camera's facing. It's on my hat. Clipped to my hat. Oh, lovely smell. This is the pine forest, see? Lovely smell of pine. Wet pine. Yep, see all the water's running down here? That's not a snake, that's a stick. Hey, big fella. Oh, look at all the water running down here. That is wonderful, wonderful. Flippity light. I like very much. Oh, look at it all. It's like a river. And it's probably dropped a fair bit since it stopped raining. It was very, very, very heavy, the rain. It was very good. I loved it. I actually rang my mum and said, can you listen? Can you hear? She goes, oh, it's raining. And I said, oh yeah. Now, I got to just break this little dam here. I want the water to, oh, look out. I'm going to have to come down here with the tractor or Vader to knock that out. What's the time? 6 o'clock. Look at that big fella. It's like a creek. Look out, this is going to be a bit deep, this bit. There we go, through there, good. Yep. Look at it running. Oh, I love it. Oh, where's it going to from here? Stopped. Seems to go underground here. Well, it did come down through here. You can see where it's all washed. Oh, look out, big hole there. Oh. Bloody goannas in their eggs. I don't want to run over their nests. They're laying and into the dam. That's wonderful. Look at that, see? Running into the dam over there. I like it. Come up a little tiny bit, not much. Not much at all. Gonna need a lot more rain. But it does show that I need to do a fair bit of work on redirecting the water. Morning, viewers! Hey, look at all the water! We had 3 storms last night. The third one didn't really get us, but got another one coming in right now. And it's 7:30 in the morning. The last one hit at about, oh, I don't know, midnight. As you can see, I have not driven down this road this morning. There are no tracks. Just having a look at where the water was lying. It was there and there. That was, I knew that after yesterday trip, after the first storm. Oh, I think I might get a bit wet. Now we'll go down and have a look at the dam. You stay on the bike. You're not getting off. Oh, I gotta tell you, viewers, the smell of It's like, you know, when you go through a rainforest and you get that lovely, wet tree smell. Oh, it's just wonderful. Yeah, well, that's what I'm getting right now. Oh, and if you have never been through a rainforest, viewers, get off that big fat ass and get out there and do stuff. Oh, yeah. Because it's only you that's stopping you. Remember that? Only you stopping you from doing things. No one else. Only you. Your choices. Oh, look at all the water being down through here. I reckon we got about a foot of water in the bottom of the dam. How's that? Yeah, it's covered the whole bottom. Has it covered that little island? No. Oh, that island, little peak. Oh, look at that big fella. Look at that. Stay on, stay. Okay, so that bit of mud in the middle is about 18 inches thick. So that rain we had took it up from 0, literally cracks in the bottom, to nearly 18 inches in the dam. Oh, that's wonderful, wonderful, just wonderful. All right, so let's go down and have a look at the back dam. Oh, little willy wagtail, love them, love the willy wagtail. Thought I'd just mention that last bit. I suppose I'll just have to get off my fat butt and get it done. Get it done. Oh, tree, big tree down over there. All the dark bits are where the water was lying. Yeah, so when you see a dark bit on the road, that's where the water was sitting. So look, that's the low bits. But that's great. It's not too bad. It's not sloppy. I do have the machine in 4-wheel drive, but it's not sinking at all that I know of. I'm screwed if it does. And here comes the rain, and some big raindrops too. We better hurry up, big fella. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I think there's some hail in this shit. Yahoo! We're getting crazy, boy. We're getting some big raindrops. I don't know if you guys can see that, but holy snap and duck shit. Here I am thinking we're going to get some misty bullshit, and we're not. We're getting some bloody marble-sized bloody raindrops. Ah, you gotta love life, don't you? Where would you be? Hey? The experiences you get in life. It'll be like, hey, big fella, remember that time I was stupid enough to ride around on the quad bike with no fuel in it and to have a look, and then we got rained on and a couple of little bits of hail hit. I got a couple of solar panels down. What's going on here? Okay, so. Oh dear. Listen to that, viewers. Look, you can see it over there. Over there, see the bubbles? Well, that's rain. And that's a butcher bird. Love me a butcher bird. Anyway. All right. Wet hair. Love it. You can hop off now. Go on. Good boy. No, I know. I'll pat you when I get off. All right, people. Love ya. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.